This is how to play There's Power in the Name of Jesus by Tasha Cobbs. The original key of the song is the key of A, which is this key. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of F sharp, which is this key. Okay, I'm going to start first by showing you guys how to play the major scale of the key of F sharp before I can break down the song, because it's very, very important to understand the major scale of a key before you can play that key. Okay, so on the key of F sharp, we have our number 1. This is our number 1. This is our number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it goes back to 1 and it repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so you can use numbers or you can use the solfa notations, which is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, it's up to you. So let's break down our song. The chord progression of the song is very, very easy. It's 6, 4, 1, and 5. Okay, so if you really understand the major scale, you know that your number 6 is a minor chord. Your number 4 is a major chord. Your number 1 is a major chord. Your number 5 is also a major chord. Okay, so we are going to look for number 6 on our major scale. This is our number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our number 6. Okay, and as you can see, it's a D sharp chord. It's a D sharp key. Okay, it's a D sharp. So we are going to play a D sharp minor chord. Okay, this is a D sharp major. I believe everyone can see it. This is a D sharp major. If you want to play a D sharp minor, you are going to drop your number 3 by a semitone. Okay, you are going to move from G to G flat, which is this note. This right here is our D sharp minor chord. Okay, it's our number 6. All right, this is our first chord, and then from 6 I said it's 4, and remember 4 is a major chord. Okay, we're gonna start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our number 4, and our number 4 is a B key. Okay, it's a B, so we are going to play B major chord. This is B major chord. But we're not going to play a root chord. We are going to play a first inversion. Okay, it's very easy to find inversions. So we are just going to move this note up here. You don't change these two. Okay, you just move your B. You are going to play it an octave higher, just like this. Okay, remember I said it's 6, and then 4, first inversion. And then from here, we are going to play 1. Remember I said 1 is a major, okay? This is our number 1. Okay? But we're not going to play a root chord. This is a root chord. Okay? We are going to play a second inversion. If you want to find the second inversion quickly, you just drop the highest note. You play it an octave lower, meaning you are going to play C sharp down here. You don't change these two notes, okay? Just play C sharp down here, just like this. This is our F sharp major second inversion. And then from here, we are going to play our number 5. Remember, you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our number 5. And as you can see, it's a C sharp key, meaning you are going to play C sharp major, because I told you that number 5, number 4, number 1, and number 5, they are major chords. Okay, so you're going to play C sharp major, which is this key. Okay, let's start. Number 6, number 4, first inversion, number 1, second inversion, and then number 5, a root chord. Okay, that's our song. There is power 6 in for the name of Jesus. 1, 5. Okay? But you are going to play every chord 2 times, meaning you are going to play 6 2 times. 1, 2, 4 2 times. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1. There is power in the name of Jesus. It's very easy, right? So we're gonna introduce the bass. When you play number 6 on the right, on the left you're also going to play 6. This is our number 6, okay? Okay? When you play 4, on the left you're also going to play 4. Remember 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our number 4. When you play 1, on the left you're also going to play 1. When you go to 5, on the left you also go to 5. It's quite easy, right? Okay, if you want to find a melody that suits you best, you can play around with the inversions. Okay, instead of playing your number 6 like this, a root chord, you can play a first inversion. There is power. Okay, and then instead of playing your number 4 like this, you can play it like this. And then you play your number 1 as a major root, as a root. And then you play your number 5 as a first inversion. Okay, this is how it sounds. Sorry. There is power in the name of Jesus. Okay, I believe you learned something from this video. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, God bless you.